Welcome to my contract monthly claim system, an application that I developed using Visual Studio 2026, ASP.NET MVC. I will be taking you through the application and how it runs. So firstly, this is my login page, and I'll be logging in with HR user details. This is my home page. No functionality to it other than the nav bar. So firstly, I'm just going to take you through to the HR dashboard and just show you how it works. So the HR dashboard you'll see with the different roles. There are different roles, your HR, your lecturer, and your manager, as well as your coordinator. And you'll see that these different roles have access to different features on the application. So like a lecturer won't be able to access the HR dashboard or the approve or reject. But the lecturer will be able to submit claims and track their own claims. And you'll see that as I go through the application itself. But firstly, I'm just going to show you the HR dashboard and how it works. So firstly, we can add, the HR user can add users by registering them. So this just allows for more security so that people can't just register as different roles and have access to the whole application itself. So it restricts accessibility. So firstly, I'm just going to create another user. So I'm just going to say Simone Megs and password. Okay, and I'm just going to also create a HR role, and I'm just going to fill it in with my details and register me. Then I'm just going to log in. Let's just log in. Perfect. Okay, and now you'll see in the nav bar, with the user profile, you'll see that I'm logged in as Simone Megs. So also in the HR dashboard, you will be able to delete the various users. So firstly, I'm just going to delete one of the lecturers. Perfect. Okay. And I'm going to change the hourly rate of Simone. I'm going to make it 300. And then I'm just going to save that. Okay, perfect. What the HR can also do is they can generate a report of the users. So they can check and just create a document that will be able to display all the users, so they can just track that easily and maybe use that for later use. So there we go. I just downloaded it, and there's how it will display. And as you add users, there will be more. Okay. So that is the HR dashboard. Secondly, I just want to take you through the various roles. Okay, so I have just logged in as a lecturer, and now you can see that in the nav bar, I can only submit claims and track the status. So I'm just going to show you through to the submit claim. So firstly, it pulls the name and surname based off of what the HR inputted into the registration form. So that is automatically pulled, as well as the hourly rate. And then there is also automatic calculations. So let's say I worked 160 hours the whole month, and you will see that it auto calculates the total amount. Then I'm just going to upload a document, as well as claim submit. submission. Comment. There we go, submit claim. So this just shows you how the claim submission works. This is from part 2. However, I added the automations and that it automatically pulls and calculates in part 3. So the other feature that the lecturer can do is, of course, track the status. So I have made one claim before this for it, but the track claim status will just display the claims that have been submitted by the specific user. So as you can see, they both are pending. So let's go have a look and see what the manager and coordinator can do, which is approve and reject the claims. So I'm going to log out. So now we can see, as we logged in as a manager, the new feature pops up, so I can go and approve and reject claims. So let's just say I'm going to approve this claim and reject that claim. Not valid. There we go. So there's no more claims pending. So now I'm going to go log back in as a lecturer and let's go see. So now we can go have a look and go back to the track status, and we can see that the one is approved and the other one was rejected, as well as I inputted a reason not valid. Even though there is error handling within the application, so that when you submit a claim, let's say you 220 hours, which is not possible. It's not realistically possible. So I'm just gonna try submit this claim, and as you can see, there is error handling as well in the claim submission. So yeah, okay, so there I've taken you through my application and how it works. Thank you.